And it was a big ball of fire, just flew into the sky, and the whole gas station started shaking.
Oh shit. A plane has crashed right off the boulevard at Cotman Avenue. It's on fire. It's not under control. It looks like debris here. I'm in a debris field. There is thick smoke and the smell of jet fuel.
They burning in that car, bro.
You just hear everybody say, get down, get down, get down. And when everybody say get down, we all get down. But I just see the plane is getting lower and lower and lower. It nipped the house. When it nipped the house, it hit a couple cars. Boom! And to the plaza, and to the Dunkin' Donuts, everywhere. I've never seen nothing like that a day in my life. I have never seen nothing like that. You got dead bodies over there, cars burnt up as I showed you from the gym.